Hello guys, you're welcome once again to DY Taker. So guys, today I'll be taking to my TikTok account and be showing you guys how to check if your TikTok is eligible to earn for Creators Reward Program. So this is how to check it. So first of all, you have to make sure that your TikTok account is a foreign account, or you have to create a foreign account. So if you don't know how to create a foreign account, just drop your comment down below or you can send me a DM on my WhatsApp and get it for you. So first of all you have to do is to when you head out to your TikTok account, you go to your profile. This is my profile. You have to do is to click on TikTok Studio. So when you click on TikTok Studio, you can do the first part is my analysis. If you want to check your analysis, just click on it like this. So this is my analysis of my account. You see. So let's go back. Let's focus. We are focusing on how to check if your TikTok is eligible to earn for Creators Reward Program. So you can see. Let me click on more. So you can see active program, Creators Marketing subscription, work with practice. Video gift, live reward. So this one is live test program and this one is services course. So and here is another one which we are talking about Creators Reward Program. And this one we are talking about. So first of all you have to do is to let's click on it. So this is my, you can see the interface, you can see the requirement needed to reach this, so that then TikTok will start paying me. So you can see 10,000 followers and 100k views in the last 13 days. So you can see. So this is how to check if your TikTok account is eligible to earn for. It's a foreign account. You also know that it's a foreign account, which US, UK or Germany, other part of foreign country that are eligible to earn through that have these features. So these are other features in the platform. So this is how to check if your TikTok account is eligible to earn for videos. So guys, comment down below and tell me what you think about this video. Drop your thoughts about this video in the comment section and tell me what video you want me to make about this TikTok stuff. So guys, see you in my next one. Bye.